Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you 4 different methods to take a screenshot on Windows 11. Let's get started. The first method, using the print screen key. Just press the print screen key on your keyboard. This will copy the screenshot to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it into Paint, Word, or any image editor using Ctrl+V. Now for the second method, using Windows plus print screen. Press Windows plus print screen to capture the entire screen. This method automatically saves the screenshot to the Screenshots folder inside Pictures. To find, go to User, Pictures, Screenshots. All screenshots taken with this method will be stored in this folder. Then for the third method, using the Snipping tool. Search for Snipping tool in the Start menu and open it. Here, you can choose different screenshot modes and even set a timer for delayed screenshots. Click Mode and select Freeform, Rectangular, Window, or Full Screen Snip to take a screenshot. Then click on New to capture the screen in the selected format. Once captured, the screenshot will open in a new window where you can edit, highlight, or save it. And for the fourth method, using Windows plus Shift plus S, Snip and Sketch. Press Windows plus Shift plus S to open the Snip and Sketch tool. A small toolbar will appear at the top of the screen, allowing you to select your preferred snipping mode. If you choose full screen, the screenshot will instantly be copied to your clipboard. You can then paste it into Paint, Word, or any other program using Ctrl+V. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.